The world leader in consumer 360-degree cameras, Shenzhen's Insta360 has just released a new camera. It's a step up from the popular One X2, featuring new sensors, better resolution, and new features. This is the next logical evolution in what had been the One series. First came the One, then the One X, followed by the One X2. Now Insta360 has ditched the One and upped the ante with the X3. The specs look impressive on paper and feel like the only camera that you'll ever need. 360 cameras are popular for everything in the scene, whether you're shooting in still or video modes. X3's new 1x2-inch 48-megapixel sensors deliver big resolution and image quality improvements compared to One X2. If your content only requires one point of view, the single lens mode is something you just cannot ignore. Now upgraded to 4K resolution, this mode is perfect for immersive first-person views of the action, especially chest-mounted shots. A new extremely wide 170-degree max view is also available at 2.7K for even more immersive POVs. X3 delivers the most megapixels ever in a 360 action cam with 72 megapixel photos for ultra-detailed stills. It also captures 8K 360 time-lapses, which is perfect for cityscapes and landscapes alike. Bullet time, the matrix-like slow-motion effect made possible by swinging the camera over your head in a circle, has also got a boost in resolution and frame rates to 4K 120fps and 3K 180fps. Now, let's talk about stabilization. For your ultra-smooth videos, X3 packs 6-axis gyroscopes and flow-state stabilization. Another good thing that GoPro Hero 10 and X3 have in common is their 360-degree horizon lock, which keeps the horizon level even when you completely rotate the camera. With so many actions happening, X3 is very easy to use with only 4 buttons that makes it easy to control your shot even when gloved up. There's also a 2.29-inch tempered glass touchscreen for intuitive setting adjustments and previews. Shoot now and edit later is now a common trend amongst camera manufacturers. X3 also goes in the same direction by shooting first in 360 degrees and then reframing later in the Insta360 app. X3 now also comes with a bigger 1800 mAh battery to keep the camera powered through the action and comes rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet out of the box. Insta360 makes excellent products, and each iteration of this line has seen significant improvements. If you're thinking of getting into the 360 world or mounting one of these on a drone, everything we've seen so far, and certainly the company's promotional video, indicates you'll be getting some very serious quality for the money. If you already own the One X2 and shoot a lot of 360 content, you'll see a difference here and certainly enjoy the larger screen. But this won't be a selling point for many. However, if you own something older than the One X2 or are thinking of taking the plunge into the world of 360, you just cannot go wrong. This thing will rock and capture your world.